रयत शिक्षण संस्था online learning program. Hello students, today we will learn about kinds of sentences. Before we begin, we should know what a sentence is. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It begins with capital letter and ends with full stop, a question mark or a mark of exclamation. For example, Mohan swims well. We can see this group of words is a complete in itself and it's giving complete meaning and ends with full stop. Look at the next example. Where is the principal's office? Now we can see that in this sentence the person is asking a question and it ends with a question mark and still it is a complete sentence. Next example, what a smart girl you are. It is ending with exclamation mark. It is another kind of sentence. So on the basis of their pattern, the sentences are divided into different kinds. These are the 4 kinds of sentences. Number 1, declarative sentence. Number 2, imperative sentence. Number 3, interrogative sentence. Number 4, exclamatory sentence. So let us discuss about the number 1, that is declarative, or we can call it assertive sentence. A statement that tells us something is called declarative sentence. It ends with a full stop. We have some examples here. I have a blue dress. My sister is in 2nd grade. I am watching a movie. They do not come here. All these are the simple sentences. So they call declarative sentence. Next, imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a request, order or advice is called imperative sentence. It ends with a full stop. These sentences also ends with a full stop. For example, clean your room, do your homework, please pick up those clothes, never trust a stranger. These sentences ends with full stop. As you saw, one more thing, that both assertive and imperative sentences ends with full stop. We have to remember that assertive sentences are simple statement. They do not contain any kind of request, order or advice. Next, interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called interrogative or question sentences. It ends with a question mark. They are of 2 types, WH questions and yes/no questions. Look at the example. When are we eating? How do you play this game? Where have you been? All these are interrogative sentence or question WH questions because it starts with question word and ends with question mark. The last one, that is exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses a strong feeling such as surprise, joy, anger, etc. is called an exclamatory sentence. It ends with a exclamation mark. We have some examples here. What a fine day. What a pretty baby she is. How cold the night is. How beautiful it is indeed. All these sentences are ends with the exclamation mark, and also these sentences expresses different feelings like surprising feeling, happiness, joy, anger. These are the strong feelings. That's why these sentences called exclamatory sentences. I hope you understood this topic well and try to do more practice. Thank you.